We're doing a cabin air filter 2025 Acura Integra. Okay, so first step, open the glove box. Disconnect this damper right here by pushing down. You can see how it disconnects. It has this hook right here. Now we have these glove box stoppers up here. We're gonna need to push the glove box in, and then kind of pull it down a little bit on both sides. And the glove box will come down. You can actually take it all the way off if you want. Get it completely out of the way. Cabin air filter is located in this box here. We're going to take off this lid by pushing these tabs in, pulling towards us. Both sides, same way. Notice this says up with the arrow. We're going to put this back exactly how we took it off. This filter definitely needs to be replaced. I do have one on order. I will be replacing it because this one is pretty gross. But we're just doing a demonstration here while I have it with me. Super gross. Original Honda filter. Now when you get your aftermarket filter, this one says it on here too, it will have an airflow direction on it, and the airflow direction is going to be down. Okay, so make sure you put it in here with airflow down. So all the airflow's down, all the dirt gets trapped on top. You'll notice that when you take your filter out. If you need a filter, there's a link in the description box for a premium filter, which is a better filter than this Honda one. They're a little thicker. They have charcoal embedded in them to help with odor, so they get rid of odors in your car. You want your car smelling nice, get a good cabin filter. So yeah, link in the description box, link in the comment box, exactly fit for your Integra. The door just clicks back on like that. The glove box, so you get the hinges and you just line it up. Okay, it kind of sits on there, and then we're just gonna go close it. And then we're gonna hook this hook back up. Hook it underneath, pull it, it'll lock, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, support the channel by hitting subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Leave me a comment if you could, and like the video, and we hope to see you again in another Acura video.